Subscribe my Techie Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Welcome to my Techie Bro YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you that how to do C programming on Termux. So before doing C programming, you need to install two things. First is Nano text editor. And second is C language. Now let's install C language. Type apt install C lang. And hit enter. To install Nano text editor, type apt install nano. And hit enter. So I have already installed both things. Now let's see quick view how to write and run C programs. Type nano, file name, and the extension .c, and hit enter. So as you can see, I have already written a small C program. To save this file, press Ctrl key plus O. Then press Ctrl key plus X to exit. To compile this program, type C lang, name of the file and the extension with .c, and hit enter. As you can see, we didn't get any error. Now let's see the output of the program. Type ls. Then type /a.out and hit enter. So this is our output. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And I will see you in next video. Thank you.